Shocking as it may be, some of your financial habits are the very reason you're still broke. We live in a world where money talks, and understanding the language it speaks is crucial to your financial health. Often, we hold on to beliefs about money that seem true on the surface, but are in reality misconceptions that hinder our financial growth. These are the money lies that we've been fed, and they're silently eating away at our wallets. We're going to delve into 6 of these money lies, shedding light on their deception and revealing the truth behind them. This isn't just about exposing falsehoods. It's about empowering you to take control of your finances, to make informed decisions that lead to wealth and financial freedom. So, if you're ready to challenge your beliefs and reshape your financial habits, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned for the 6 money lies that could be keeping you poor. First money lie: spending money will make you happy. Picture this: you're in a store and you see a shiny new gadget that promises to make your life easier. You can't resist the allure. It's practically calling your name. You buy it, take it home, and feel a rush of joy. But soon, that joy fades, and you're left with just another thing in your already cluttered house. This is the tale of Jane, a woman who believed that spending money would bring her happiness. Jane was constantly on the hunt for the next big thing, the next quick fix to her ever-present longing for contentment. But what Jane didn't realize was that she was digging herself deeper into debt with every purchase, and instead of happiness, she was finding stress, anxiety, and an overwhelming sense of discontent. The problem here is not the act of spending money. It's the belief that spending beyond one's means can somehow fill a void or bring lasting joy. This is a lie that many of us are sold, but the truth is, true happiness comes from non-materialistic things. It comes from experiences, relationships, personal growth, and the satisfaction of achieving our goals. So the next time you're about to make a purchase, ask yourself, is this really going to make me happy, or is it just feeding into the lie? Remember, happiness is not for sale. Second money lie: wealth comes from a high-paying job. Now let's dive into the story of Jack. Jack is a high-flying executive, bringing in a hefty 6-figure salary annually. However, despite his impressive paycheck, Jack is always broke. Why? Because he's a victim of poor money management. Jack's story isn't unique. In fact, it's all too common. Many people believe that earning more money is the key to wealth, but this is far from the truth. The reality is, it's not how much you make, but what you do with what you make that determines your financial health. Let's take a look at Jack's monthly expenses. He has a luxury apartment, a high-end car, a penchant for designer clothes, and a taste for fine dining. All these expenses quickly eat up his high income, leaving him with little to nothing at the end of the month. Now, imagine if Jack were to make a few changes. Suppose he decides to live below his means, cut back on unnecessary expenses, save a good portion of his income, and invest wisely. Even with the same income, Jack would be on his way to accumulating wealth. The key takeaway here is that wealth is built through budgeting, saving, and investing. Regardless of your income level, it's about making smart financial decisions and being disciplined with your money. It's about understanding that a high income doesn't guarantee wealth, but good money management does. Wealth isn't about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Third money lie: debt is a normal part of life. Let's debunk this with a little story about our friend John. John lives life king-sized on credit. He's got the latest gadgets, fancy wheels, and a wardrobe that would make a fashion blogger green with envy. But here's the catch: he's drowning in debt. John fell into the trap of equating debt with lifestyle. He believed that debt was a normal part of life, a necessary evil to afford the good things. But the truth is, he was living beyond his means, using loans and credit cards to fund a lifestyle he couldn't afford. Debt, my friends, is not a ticket to the good life. It's a shackle that ties you down. It's a burden that keeps growing if not kept in check. While it's true that some debt can be beneficial, like a mortgage that helps you own a home or a student loan that funds your education, it's essential to understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is an investment that will grow in value or generate long-term income. Bad debt, on the other hand, is something that quickly loses its value and does not generate income. So, remember, it's not normal to live life on credit. It's not necessary to owe money to enjoy the finer things in life. Live within your means, save, invest, make your money work for you. Debt should be the exception, not the rule. Fourth money lie: you need to save every penny you make. Let's debunk this myth by introducing you to Sam. Sam, a frugal fellow, believed this lie to his core. He saved every extra penny, refraining from spending on experiences or little pleasures of life. He even missed out on investment opportunities, fearing the risk it might entail. All he had was a bank account brimming with money, but a life devoid of experiences. Sounds safe, right? Well, not quite. While it's crucial to save, it's equally important to strike a balance. Saving excessively can lead to missed opportunities and a life lacking in experiences. Imagine not tasting your favorite ice cream because you're saving for a rainstorm that might never come. Doesn't sound so appealing now, does it? Financial planning isn't just about hoarding money. It's about creating a balance between spending, saving, and investing. It's about understanding that money is a tool, not just a safety net. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Think of it this way: money sitting in your bank account is like a dormant seed. It has the potential to grow, to bear fruits, but only if you plant it, water it, and expose it to sunshine. Investing your money wisely can lead to passive income, financial security, and even wealth creation. So, the next time you find yourself holding back from investing or spending on meaningful experiences, remember Sam. Remember the importance of balance and making your money work for you. Don't just save money, make it work for you. Boom. Fifth money lie: budgeting is unnecessary. Now let's imagine a scenario. There's this person, let's call them Alex. Alex earns a decent income, but somehow at the end of each month, Alex is left scratching their head, wondering where all the money went. You see, Alex spends without a plan, without a budget. Now, you might think, so what? I'm like Alex. I earn and I spend. That's it. But that's the trap. Without a budget, you're essentially navigating your financial journey without a map. It's like venturing into a dense forest without a compass. You might end up lost, or worse, stuck in a financial quagmire. A budget is not just about restricting your spending. No, it's about understanding where your money goes. It's about gaining control over your financial life. It's about ensuring that your hard-earned money is going where it needs to, towards your financial goals, be it paying off debt, saving for a house, or planning for retirement. Without a budget, you're leaving your financial future to chance. And let's face it, when has leaving things to chance ever worked out in the long run? With a budget, you're taking charge. You're saying, this is my money, and this is how I choose to spend it. So don't fall for the lie. Don't be like Alex. Budgeting isn't unnecessary. It's essential. A budget is not a restriction. It's a financial freedom plan. Sixth money lie: money can't buy happiness. We often hear this sentiment expressed in various forms, but let's take a moment to ponder on this. Picture John, a hardworking individual who believes in this lie. He thinks money is not important, so he neglects his financial planning. He lives paycheck to paycheck, spends without thinking, and saves nothing. He's happy, right? Well, one day, his car breaks down. The repair costs are steep and John doesn't have the funds. He's stressed, worried, and unhappy. Now, would money have bought John happiness in this situation? Not directly, but it would have provided him the security and peace of mind needed in such stressful situations. It would have eliminated the worry and stress that come with financial instability. Money is not the villain here. It's the lack of financial planning and the belief in such money lies that are the real culprits. Understanding the role money plays in our lives is crucial. It's not about accumulating wealth for the sake of it, but about achieving financial security and the freedom to make choices, being able to afford a good education for your children, taking care of your health, helping a friend in need, or even pursuing a passion that doesn't pay well. These are not direct sources of happiness, but they do contribute to a fulfilling life. Money may not buy happiness, but it does buy choices. Now you know the money lies that could be keeping you poor. These misconceptions, whether it's believing that spending will make you happy, thinking you need a high-paying job to be wealthy, regarding debt as normal and necessary, assuming you need to save everything, thinking you don't need a budget, or the idea that money can't buy happiness, they all can trap you in a cycle of financial instability. It's time to challenge these beliefs. It's time to redefine your relationship with money and take control of your financial future. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how well you manage what you have. It's about making informed decisions, setting realistic goals, and staying disciplined in your spending. By debunking these money myths and adopting healthier financial habits, you can pave your way towards financial success. It's not an overnight process, but with consistent effort and a positive mindset, you can certainly make it happen. Change your money mindset and you change your life. Hello, my friends. You've reached the end of the video, and I want to express my sincere gratitude for sticking around until the conclusion. Your support means the world to me, and I genuinely appreciate your time and engagement. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to show some love by hitting the like button. I value your feedback, so please drop a comment below letting me know your thoughts. My channel focuses on producing entertaining videos covering topics related to business, finance, and life in general. If that aligns with your interests, consider subscribing and ringing the notification bell to stay updated on future content. Thank you again for being part of this journey, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day. See you in the next one. Join us in the next video where we'll talk deeper into credit scores and how to improve them. See you there.